Euro banknotes are among the most secure currencies in the world. Yet very few people know how this journey actually begins. It starts with raw cotton fibers, carefully processed to create strong, flexible banknote paper built to last for years. Next, precision printing machines apply multiple layers of ink, placing every line and pattern with microscopic accuracy. During production, advanced security elements are added, including complex patterns and visual features designed to prevent counterfeiting. Each finished note is scanned by high-speed inspection systems that detect even the smallest imperfection. Only approved notes move forward, where automated machines count, stack, and sort them with exact consistency. The banknotes are then sealed and handled inside controlled environments, where security is maintained at all times. This is how modern currency is made, a combination of technology, precision, and strict control behind every euro in circulation.